Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download PayPal application for your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your App Store, and now into the search bar, type in PayPal and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. This one's the app we are looking for that says PayPal, which is transfer money and mobile pay. Click the download button right beneath the app or right beside the app to begin the downloading process for your PayPal application on your iPhone. PayPal is known as one of the faster, safer way to send money, make an online payment, receive money or set up a merchant account right from your computer or your mobile devices. Wait until the application downloads on your mobile device, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. So always be sure to be connected to a stable internet connection if you want to download the application faster. Once the application is downloaded and is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up in the display. You can give it a tap to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download PayPal application for your iPhone, quick and easy. Sign up to an account if you don't have an account yet by tapping on sign up link at the bottom right, or if you have an account for yourself already, tap the login button and enter your credentials to get access to your PayPal account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.